Want to see what pranks and tricks those cheeky monsters played on me? You won't believe what they did. Keep on watching to find out what happens.
Cheeky monsters, na 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 na, we're all cheeky monsters.
Hi, cheeky monsters! It's me, Kaya, and today
Kaya, we can't see you. Could you possibly sit on the sofa for us?
Oh, just
yes,
that was not me. I promise. That was the sofa. Honestly, that wasn't me. I'm so sorry. It was the sofa. I think it's just been squished. Oh, it's happened again. Honestly, that was not me. It was the sofa. Hold on a minute. Okay, who put that there?
and cut. Are we ready? Yeah. And action!
Hi there, cheeky monsters. It's me, Kai. What's going on? Why is there bubbles all around in my face? Oh, where have the bubbles come from? They're everywhere.
And cut!
Oh,
Okay, stand by. And action!
hi, cheeky monsters. It's me, Kaya, and today I'm. Whoa! There's glitter everywhere. What is going on today?
And cut!
There we go. That's the last of the glitter.
Good to go?
Yeah, good.
Okay, everyone. Scene 1, take 4, and action!
Hi, cheeky monsters. It's me, Kaya.
Oh,
and
wait a minute. Kaya, you've got something on your shoulder. Just on your right shoulder. Other right.
Get it off! Someone get it off me! Please, quick.
Okay, cat.
Something strange is happening today, isn't it?
It's one of those days. I think let's move on to the next scene and come back to that one later.
Good idea.
So let's move on to the scene where you have the book.
Oh, yes. Right here.
Great. And just before we start, could you just quickly tie up your shoelace?
Oh, sorry. There we go. Okay, so. Oh. Where did my book go? Did you? It was right there, wasn't it? Was it? I had the book. It was here. I put it there. I did my shoelace, and then I looked back. Hold on, who's that laughing?
Okay, cut. Rolling and action.
Today I'm going to read to you one of my most favourite. What was paper aeroplane? Okay, who's throwing paper aeroplanes?
And cut. Okay, action.
And today I'm going to be telling you one of my most favourite. What's that sound? Can you hear that? Oh, it's Mr. B. What are you doing here? We're trying to read a story.
And cut. And action.
Today I'm going to read to you one of my favourite. Whoa! The window! Someone shut the window! It's so windy!
And cut.
I told you to shut the window!
Action.
Today I'm going to be reading my most favourite bedtime.
Kaya, could you just come a bit closer to the camera?
Oh, yeah, sure. And here?
Closer still. Maybe take a few steps towards us.
Okay. Maybe
Further. Little bit
even
further.
more?
Yeah, even closer.
This is quite close.
Keep going. Keep
Okay.
going. Now that is perfect. Okay, everyone, final scene of the day. Let's get this one done and that will be a wrap. Okay, rolling and action.
If you want to hear more of our monster tales, be sure to click subscribe. Be sure to click subscribe. Be sure to... Okay, what's going on? Someone is playing pranks on me. Hold on a cheeky monster minute. It's April Fool's Day. Where are those cheeky monsters? Glitter! Rocky! Oh, that's strange. They must be hiding. Oh well. Happy April Fool's Day, cheeky monsters!
We're all cheeky monsters.
And if you want to join in with more cheeky monster creations after this video, why not subscribe to our My Cheeky Monsters channel?